Welcome to Benefits of Channel. We are constantly bombarded with information about the latest health trends. It's hard to know what to believe, but there's one trend that's gaining traction for good reason. MCTs. MCTs, or medium-chain triglycerides, are healthy fats that offer a range of benefits. From boosting energy to supporting brain health, MCTs are a powerful tool for enhancing your well-being. Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of MCTs and discover how they can revolutionize your health. You know how important it is to nourish your body with the right foods. But did you know that not all fats are created equal? MCTs are unique fats that are metabolized differently than their long-chain counterparts. This difference is key to unlocking their remarkable health benefits. Ready to discover the power of MCTs? Let's dive in. Let's break down the science behind MCTs. MCTs are a type of saturated fatty acid found naturally in certain foods. Coconut oil, for example, is a rich source of MCTs, containing over 60% of these beneficial fats. You'll also find MCTs in smaller amounts in palm kernel oil and dairy products. These fats are made up of medium-length chains of carbon atoms. This unique structure allows them to be absorbed and used by the body more efficiently than long-chain triglycerides, or LCTs, the most common type of fat found in our diets. Intrigued by how these medium-chain wonders differ from their longer counterparts? Let's explore further. Imagine two different routes to a destination, a scenic highway and a direct expressway. MCTs and LCTs take different paths in the body, much like these routes. LCTs, found in foods like vegetable oils and avocados, travel a longer route, requiring more steps for digestion and absorption. MCTs, however, take the express route. They bypass the typical digestive process and are rapidly absorbed into the bloodstream, traveling straight to the liver. This rapid absorption makes MCTs a readily available energy source for your body and brain. Ready to explore the incredible benefits of this express energy delivery? Let's move on. Section 4. MCTs and weight loss. Shedding pounds with healthy fats. Now, let's talk about a topic that's on many people's minds. Weight loss. MCTs have gained popularity as a weight management tool, and for good reason. Studies suggest that MCTs may help boost metabolism, reduce appetite, and promote feelings of fullness. Remember how MCTs are quickly used for energy? This rapid breakdown generates heat in the body, increasing calorie expenditure. Additionally, MCTs may influence the production of hormones that regulate appetite, helping you feel fuller for longer and potentially reducing overall calorie intake. But that's not all. Let's explore how MCTs can fuel your energy levels. Section 5. Energy Boost. Powering your day with MCTs. Feeling sluggish? MCTs to the rescue. One of the most remarkable benefits of MCTs is their ability to provide a quick and sustained energy boost. Remember the express route to the liver? This rapid delivery of MCTs provides your cells with a readily available fuel source. Unlike carbohydrates that can lead to sugar spikes and crashes, MCTs offer a more stable and sustained release of energy, keeping you feeling powered up throughout the day. This makes them an excellent choice for athletes, busy professionals, or anyone looking for a natural way to combat fatigue. But the benefits don't stop there. Let's dive into how MCTs can enhance your brain power. Section 6. Brain Power Unleashed. MCTs for cognitive function. Our brains are incredible organs, constantly firing neurons and requiring a steady supply of energy to function optimally. MCTs have emerged as a potential brain-boosting nutrient, supporting cognitive function and potentially protecting against age-related decline. The liver can convert MCTs into ketones, an alternative energy source for the brain. Ketones can cross the blood-brain barrier, providing fuel for brain cells even when glucose levels are low. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with cognitive impairment or those looking to support optimal brain function. Ready to unlock the power of MCTs? Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the information and found it helpful. Remember, the content here is for educational purposes and not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any major health decisions. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Don't forget to check the links below for additional resources. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. See you in the next video.